welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. This should be a pretty quick project. I went ahead and bought a new gas door. You can see how nasty this is. It's just rusted out. I don't know why people, I don't know if they push the door shut or if it gets, I don't know. It's all rusted from the inside out. So we're gonna break this off of here and put a new one on. All right, so these were T27 Torx tips, and I broke them loose with a ratchet already. And then I want to spend all day over here, so put it in the drill now. Ta-da! Gas door off. Not out, but off. Let me wiggle that out of there. There we go. Okay, yeah, take the whole thing loose, way easier. All right, so let's go get the other one painted up. It came just primered, and I'm just gonna paint it black. That'll be good enough for what we got going here. Got the new one in the box here. Just comes in. They didn't have options for colors. They had black, I just got black. Just came in this primer gray. So I'm just gonna clean this, scuff it down a little bit, and then just paint it black. And that'll be plenty good for what we're doing. Wish I had some Scotch-Brite, because that'd probably be better than what I'm gonna do right now. But the paint I'm gonna paint it with will take care of any scratches. I'm actually going to use like a bed liner so it matches the rest of the blackout on the truck. Okay, and then I'm going to wipe it down with a little bit of solvent so she's nice and clean. Get the dust off of there. Any problems I have with my oil I have on my hands. Okay, well, way too much. Perfect. Grab another towel. I don't have my wire hanging up here anymore. I used to have a wire hanging that I would paint everything on. So we'll just throw a piece of cardboard up here and paint on that. Of course, my freezer's plenty dirty already as it is, so really don't matter if I get a little more paint on it. There we go. Okay, let's grab the paint. Well, I couldn't find the paint I wanted, but this should probably work. I also have a clear that can go on here. But this is a high heat paint. Yeah, it's gonna be too shiny. That'll make a good base though. Alright, she's looking pretty good. I got a hammer clear coat on there. I'm going to let that bake in. So it kind of has a textured look to it without it being a bed liner. And that clear coat will also help protect it as well. So that should be good. Two screws. One and two. There we go. All right, we got her parked out on the road. Got those new lights in there. And take you over here. Show you we got that new fuel door on there. And that kind of matches the rest of the truck without having to match the paint. So that worked out really, really nice. All that was a hammered clear coat. I suppose I could have used a textured paint, and that's what I thought I had. But now it worked out okay. And then look how filthy this poor truck is. We've got a tree that likes to drop stuff when you leave vehicles outside, so we'll have to get that truck a good wash. And then I got a couple of bulbs in the lights that are actually out. but you saw how easy they were to take in and out. So we'll get those replaced and she'll be all set.